Hi there, future tech moguls. Ever dreamed of building your own game-changing software, SaaS or mobile app? But then a voice inside your head whispered, wait, you cannot code, do you even tech, bro? Well, good news, today I'm revealing secret recipe with you. Launching your own profitable software or app in just 90 days. And guess what? Even if coding sounds Greek to you, even if you never done it before and you don't have millions to build it, this recipe will still work for you. Hang on till the end of this video because I will have a juicy bonus for you that you don't want to miss. But first, let me drop some credentials so you know that I'm not just some random guy from the internet, okay? I'm Vitaly Podoba, the proud CEO and founder of SoftFormance, software development agency. We've been turning tech dreams into a reality for years for our clients, since 2011. Plus, I've had my fair share of tech roller coasters, failing 8 startup ideas before hitting gold with 2 successful launches. And now I'm on a mission to help first-time software founders like yourself build and launch profitable software products. Before we start with step-by-step framework, why even bother with software? I did a quick Google search some years back and looked up the wealthiest people around, and I noticed something. A major chunk of them got their bank from technology and software. Your favorite pop stars, musicians, coaches, actors, yep, they are all diving into the tech pool too. Tony Robbins, Tom Hanks, Kim Kardashian, Jay-Z, Beyoncé, Rihanna, Snoop Dogg, and many more. All of them are diversifying their portfolios and making bank with their software ventures. So why is software so good? Let's break it down. First, it's low entry costs. Secondly, it's sweet recurring monthly revenue. Then it's infinite scalability because the sky is the limit. You can serve with one hosting, with one server, you can serve multiple users from different countries worldwide. No maxing out. More users, bring them all. You can help them, all of them. Plus those juicy high margins. You build software once and it works for you day and night. You just pay for the resources for the server. So this is why software is so good, and this is why you should consider that as a next step in your business and career. Time for story time. Picture this, young Vitaly, brimming with software ideas, a student on a budget but with heaps of time. 2 years deep into self-teaching Python engineering, yes, I am self-taught former programmer. Fast forward, 8 software ventures, all crashed and burned, ouch. But every dark cloud has its silver lining. In 2011, after 3 years working as Python software engineer, I launched SoftFormance, software development agency, where we mainly been basically building software and apps for our clients. We launched more than 200 tech startups and products for our clients since then, and also built and launched 2 own profitable software products, spending just about 30K on each of them, while generating more than 15K monthly recurring revenue on each of them. And we didn't stop there. So the framework, the steps, the information I will share in the next couple minutes in this video is based on my hard-earned experience and the costly mistakes I did on my own. Now, the million-dollar question. If launching software is like striking gold, and so why isn't everyone mining? Misconceptions. Some believe they need elite coding skills. Others think that they need a groundbreaking idea, and also other people think that, a lot of people think actually, they need millions in the bank account in order to build and launch software product system, like complex project. Or others think that, even a lot of our clients think that they need a coding guru as a co-founder, and before they find such a partner, they don't want to start. But here's the truth bomb. With the right framework and guidance, success isn't a dream, it's a reality. I've seen our clients not just beat the odds 5% of the time, but almost 50%. That's every second client successful launching profitable software with our agency. Intrigued? Buckle up, because we are just getting started. So, my method has 3 secrets. Follow them accurately and you will triple your success ratio. Alright, without further ado, let's jump straight into the secret number 1, idea hunting. Ever wondered how to come up with a top-notch software idea without being the next Elon Musk? Here's the deal. The best software solutions address super painful problems within a very specific narrow niche. And spotting these problems, it's easier than you might be thinking. I've got an entire video on how to generate and validate these software ideas, but let's keep it short and sweet here in this specific video. First of all, serve your existing audience where you shine. You need to be an expert there. Don't try to serve new type of people. Just stick to people you know. Talk to 20, 30 individuals from that audience to pinpoint major problems, complaints that you might solve with some software. And final quick tip is focus on iteration ideas, not on innovative ideas. Now, what's an iteration idea? It's simple. These are ideas that carry less risk, they are budget friendly, quick to develop, and honestly, they can greatly simplify your marketing efforts. For example, if you build a new CRM, ERP system, some new Gmail, some newsletter, email marketing platform that people know how to use within the existing product category. Okay? On the flip side, innovative ideas, think of them as introducing some kind of brand new category in the market. It's all about training people into new habits, and this is hard. Take, for example, IQOS, electronic cigarettes, for example. Brand new, right? But such ideas, while cool, are typically suited for major brands with deep pockets. Teaching people new tricks, new habits, is super hard and expensive. For us, we are sticking to iteration ideas. Simple, effective, and most importantly, doable. And if you're using these 3 tips to hunt your best idea, you will not miss, you will not lose, okay? Just stick to that. All right, moving on to the secret number 2. Let's talk funding. Once you have that brilliant idea, how do you get the cash to make it a reality? In essence, there are 3 pathways to consider. First up, VC or venture capital. While it sounds fancy and promises big bucks, it's not for everyone. Because it's tough to get, especially without track record as an entrepreneur or without some traction with your product. So basically, you already need to have some kind of MVP, first version, and some traction with that. The second option is pre-selling. It's a challenge, but it's doable. The idea is to pre-sell to a handful of users, maybe at a premium price, say 1-3K a month, and in total you get 20-30K at least to build very limited but sellable prototype MVP. This doesn't just get you funding, but also validates that your product is in demand. And plus, think about it, you're proving your sales mojo in the process. Bonus, win-win. Okay, and the third, last one is my favorite. It's reinvesting. If you're already running a business and can funnel some of that profit into your software venture, it's a win-win. It's not just about the freedom of budget you will have, but the liberty to focus solely on your product and your users rather than chasing funds. So out of these 3 options, how you're going to fund your product, your software idea development, the important part is just pick which is closer and easier to you based on your current situation. Are you running a business? Reinvest. Are you starting from scratch, clean? Just go and try pre-selling method. Just the important thing here, just get started and bring that dream software of yours to life. All right, diving into secret number 3. I call it development hacks. Building software is just like constructing a house. Instead of tackling everything solo, you would bring a professional, right? Like general contractor. And some mistakenly believe a single developer can manage the entire project, but often they find themselves with unfinished and unsatisfactory results. Some even turn to hiring or partnering with CTO, but remember, CTO cannot handle every facet like design, user experience, business analysis, coding, and various setup tasks. So also hiring an in-house team is an option, but it can be pricey and not always the best choice at the beginning when you just start and have no revenue. So you will ask me, Vitaly, so what is more efficient road actually? And I would reply to you that partnering with agency, for example, agency like us, SoftFormance, for instance, would be the best choice in your specific situation. The next question is, when you select an agency, it's a challenge to pick a good one from the first try. So I will share with you 2 very important tips, secrets, how do you find and validate the agency that will work best for you. When selecting an agency, focus on 2 crucial elements, trust and confidence. You want to be certain that they will act in your best interest and have the capabilities to execute your vision. So how do you check that? To establish trust, request client references from the agency. Gauge your confidence by just talking to the client, previous clients, how they work together, what were the results, did they like the communication style, the process, did they have any problems, how the project is looking right now, is it stable or breaking all the time, and that will do a great job for you. Now, when it comes to confidence, the best way to build the confidence that you and your selected team agency can build the project, can deliver the project, is to check their past work portfolio. You need to find a project within their portfolio which is very close, very similar to what you want to build. The closer the better. Have they built CRM? For example, you want to build CRM for solar industry. If they build CRM for solar industry, that's the best agency for you. If you cannot find such an agency, find agencies that build CRM for a different industry or build some software for solar industry. Some overlap you need to have. Don't go for the agencies that don't have any similar projects to what you want to build. In essence, by opting for a top-tier dev agency, you will benefit from a quicker launch, cost efficiency, and a smoother process overall. Just make sure that you find a proper agency. If you make a mistake, it might be very costly and pricey for you. Out of 9 clients we have right now, 7 of these clients came to us from the previous teams with unfinished, broken projects and lost money. So these 2 tips are very important for you to use and to make sure that they play to your advantage and you don't get screwed by the software developer. Now it's time to wrap it all up for you. Let's recap the essential steps of the 90-day framework for launching your software. Secret number 1, begin with the right idea. This will be your cornerstone for both validating your software and sharpening your sales aptitude. Secret number 2, identify your funding method. How you choose to gather the necessary capital for your software development is very important. And secret number 3, engage with a general contractor, a software development agency like us, for example. They will be instrumental in helping you bring your idea to life. Now, if you're an entrepreneur eager to launch a software, SaaS product, profitable app, or just software tool for your business and want my personal guidance, use the link below this video to submit an application and we will touch base with you within 1 working day. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to stay updated on new content. And also, as I promised, I've got a bonus for you. Check the comments below for the link to my list of 500 trending and profitable software ideas. It's a great resource to inspire you and to shape your own concepts. And the best part, it's free. Just follow the link below. Catch you in the next video and remember, people need your software.